From FX Empire, this is Christopher Lewis looking at Bitcoin for the 8th of December. And in front of you, I have the first of two charts I'll show you in Bitcoin. We have rallied significantly, and on Bitstamp, you can see we got as high as 16,000. And on Coinbase, we got as high as almost 20,000, and therein lies the problem. When you have a decentralized market, there is no real price. So if you can tell me why I should pay $5,000 more for a coin on one exchange than the other, I'd be interested to find out. But at this point, I can't in good conscience suggest that buying is a good idea. This is a blow off top just waiting to happen. And that's especially true over here in Coinbase. This is a horrific candle. And even if we say closed at 20,000, this just cannot be sustained. And again, the biggest problem is the highest volume candles are all negative, and that's been that way for a while. This is the very epitome of dumb money entering the market, because the smart money has been in for some time. You only had to be in this market 2 years to have gotten in, $500, $300. At that point, you're more than willing to trade your Bitcoin for a massive, multi-thousand% increase. Unfortunately, this is the exact same thing that happened in the housing bubble. People started buying these houses when they were 3 times, 5 times, 10 times what they were worth just a few years ago because, the price always goes up. I'm seeing a lot of this time it's different chatter on the forums. And at this point, if you're going to buy Bitcoin, you need to think like the longer-term traders. They are collecting their profits. Somebody somewhere saw that we were approaching 20,000 and dumped. And why wouldn't they? Why would you not take profit from $300 to 20,000? And you can see since then, we've seen the market drop about $3,500. And this is only the matter of, I'll pull up an hourly chart here. Just a couple hours. That is a horrific candle. That tells me that we're going to drop. I would not be surprised to see this market drop to $12,000 from here. So with that in mind, you have to think like these longer-term traders. And what they are doing is they are going to wait to find a cheap valuation of the coin, probably $5,000 from here, lower, and then start buying. Buying here, you're just begging to lose money. And I suspect that some of you probably have already done that, and now you're in a bad spot. Chasing these trades is without a doubt the easiest way to destroy your trading account. So you need to step back and wait for a pullback. You may get it today. You may not get it today. The jobs number comes out today, and that's going to have a massive effect on the value of the US dollar. If the US dollar shoots through the roof, that could just roll this right over. So my advice, be very careful.